Is it too late to buy the Crow coin right now? Should you invest or should you look into a different project? We're gonna try to solve these questions today in this video. So I highly recommend you guys to watch the entire video to understand what is happening to crypto.com and what's gonna happen here in the future. And of course, if you do enjoy this video, mean search me if you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's go and check it out. So keep our coin market cap. As you can see right now, we're almost at $20 billion market cap. The volume right now did go down by 15%, but we're still at $1.1 billion. Now, what just happened here is that we did have a massive pullback here for the token. So the token did go down here, but do we still have enough power to actually go up, break this all-time high, and continue to go up even more? Well, we're going to check that out in this video. So actually, let's go directly here to the chart. So let's go to the chart and check it out to see what's been happening here. So this here is the chart. This is how crypto.com does look like. This is the massive spike we did have. We almost reached $1 here. We're at 0.97 cents, like almost 98 cents here. And ever since we reached this level, we did get super rejected. So we got rejected and we dropped all the way here to 0.63. So this is our all-time high and this is the low, the new price floor we built. So basically 0.64. Now what's gonna happen here? What can we expect from this coin? So like I said, we did have the pullback, and which is really good. We were super overbought here in the RSI. So as you can see here, we were overbought. Even in this area we were overbought, and once we did get overbought, we got rejected. Boom. So we did hit the level of 0.81. We got rejected. Boom. And then we came back all the way to 0.65. But ever since then, we continued to soar, we continued to go up, hitting this level here, and like I said, making a new all-time high. So seeing that was pretty amazing, but like I said, right now we're having the exact same thing where we're having a big pullback right now. The thing is, right now, this is a huge pullback. So let me just measure this from here to here. Basically, we did go down by 34%. So a lot of people did cash out. Now, I'm going to show you something, guys, is that basically, if you bought crypto.com, bought the dip here actually. If we say that this is the dip, if you could have bought basically this coin in June 22nd, basically if we do measure from this to the all-time high, boom, it's basically a 10x. Now, I believe people did do something like that. People did buy here at the dip. They invested a lot of money, like tens of thousands of dollars. Their money, they did do a 10x and they sold. So that's what happened here, because if you invest in 10K, basically you got 100K. So I believe a lot of people did pull out the coin, but still there's a lot of chances here. We still have $20 billion in market cap, so it's still pretty much okay. Like, people are gonna hold, like a lot of people are gonna hold. So what's gonna happen here right now, basically? So if you're looking at just the coin here, the problem is that we are looking at a rejection. So we got rejected right now at this level at basically 0.79, let's say 0.80. So this is where we got rejected right now. Because if you do check it out, this is the longest wick and we're kind of finding right now. Let's actually go here to the 1 hour chart to see what's been happening. There you go. We got rejected. We're trying to fight back right now, but as you can see, the buying power is still not there. Mostly we have here the selling power. As you can see, the RSI did again go up. We got rejected, so people are trying to buy the dip again. So all depends what's gonna happen now. What needs to happen? If we somehow do break this level, if we now make a new high, it's going to be amazing. But if we continue to make like lower lows, something like this, where if we do get rejected right now, if we continue to go down and do something like this, where we go up again, get one more time rejected, then what's gonna happen is that we're gonna continue to go down. So there is a possibility that we are going to continue to go down here for this token. What's the big thing that can really impact the price of Crow right now? Well, actually it's Bitcoin, because Bitcoin just reached its crucial level here. So if you actually go here to the 1-day chart for Bitcoin, it's going to be a lot easier for us to look at the chart here. But basically what Bitcoin is doing is that it hit this level. So basically we almost hit the 53 mark, which is really good, because now what should be happening here is that we should be slowly able to jump back up again. Now again, the biggest reason why we continue to go down, we shouldn't even continue to go down. The problem is the whole market continued to go down and people panic sold. So what should have happened here is that we should have stabilized in this area, basically between 0.97 and basically 0.79. But because of the news we had about the virus spread and everything, a lot of people started to panic sell, and we lost 35%. Like I said, people sold off a lot. Now, just because it's, again, because of those bad news, there is a possibility that CRO here will continue to go down. We do have some crucial levels here that we need to look after. Like I said, if we do get rejected here, and if we do again hit this level, like I said, what's gonna happen is there's a chance that we're gonna break even lower next time, and then just break below this level. If we break below 0.64, then we are going to continue to go down. So do remember that. If you take here the Fibonacci right now, if we do measure it from here to this low, basically we can see all of the levels here. We got rejected here at this level. The next level, actually, if we do somehow break it, it's going to be at 1.18. So $1.18 is the next high if we somehow do make a reversal. So is it a good time to buy right now or not? I think it all depends on what's going to happen here to Bitcoin. Right now, the biggest problem is that CRO did increase a lot. So if we do measure this in the last, basically from October to the whole November, in the last 25 days here, it did do a 3.5x. So this is big. This is just huge because people are like huge whales in CRO. Like, not just huge whales, but people invest a lot of money in crypto.com. And just because of that, they did make a ton of profit here. So do remember that. If you want the market here to move, if we want this coin to go up, we're going to need, again, billions of dollars of volume if we want to go up, because the market cap already is pretty huge. And that's the biggest problem. If you want to invest right now and double your money, then CRO needs to double its market cap. We have to go to 40 billion. So is it possible for crypto.com to go to 40 billion? There is a possibility, but Bitcoin needs to go to $100,000 per Bitcoin, which is going to be, of course, a lot more difficult. So there is a possibility that something like that could happen. So it all depends what's going to happen now. If we get rejected, and if you see we're breaking a new low here, if we again touching this level, then there is a huge chance that we're going to continue to go down for CRO. So do remember that. But if Bitcoin pretty soon makes a reversal and continues to go up, then I believe that, again, basically what's going to happen is that CRO later on will go up with Bitcoin. So there is a possibility, again, here, something like this, that people who just sold their CRO are going to go and invest back into Bitcoin. Like, that is a possibility here. And that's about it. It all depends. It all depends here. The RSI, like I said, is super good right now. Like, the RSI looks wonderful right now. It should mean that we should still have enough buying power to continue to go up, because we're not overbought. And that's it. But as you can see here, the buying volume, it's just getting lower and lower and lower, which could be an okay sign, but it all depends on what's going to happen. Like, sometimes seeing this is pretty good, because we could be making a triangle here that could look something like this, and in the end we could be able to break to the top side. So it all depends. Like I said, it all depends on what's going to happen right now. If we don't break this level, like I said, if we get rejected more, then we're going to go back here to the 0.64. Then we're going to try to go up again, where we're going to probably hit this low between, I think, about 0.72. So somewhere there. And if we get rejected even then we're going to hit again the 0.64, and then we're going to continue to go down. So do remember that. This is what I believe will happen. This is the bearish scenario. But if we do somehow break up to the top side, then it's a lot more different. If we do break to the top side, then we can hit a new all-time high even. But like I said, it all depends what's going to happen in the next couple of days here for the chart here for crypto.com. The biggest problem is not like we are going up. A lot of people are investing into other coins right now. So people are in an investing mood. Yesterday, the whole chart did crash. Like, you can just check out Bitcoin here. Just a massive crash, and so many other coins that do a crash here. Like, not a crash, but actually a pullback. So there is a chance that most of the tokens here will continue to go up as the market goes up. So do remember that. But yeah, guys, in the end, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do want to invest into these coins, please do your own research first. If you did enjoy this video, it means so much to me. If you can like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in the next video.